Yeah, I'm literally just starting our day at 10:30. You know, you stepped into, like, we woke up at, and it was like, go for it, because I was like, give 5 more minutes. You just got woke up by the room cleaners, like, knock on. I was like, what the fuck is that? And every time I was room cleaners, I was like, yeah, clean the room. So, we're gonna go now, go to the pool and do whatever, so. Also today, England! Against Sweden. England! We'll win, hopefully, so. So, I'm just sitting here, I just had a bit of, anxiety for the end and everything. And then, all I hear is, what me and Amy think was a wasp or a bee. But a drone literally just flew from there over our hotel. And it was a Phantom 4 DJI drone as well. So, that's sort of a drone Casey Neistat flies. So, Casey Neistat's here, which he probably won't be. Oh. Wow! They fly like the fucking, like, whew!
Döndü top. Henderson. Young. Klasson karşısında. Döndü top. Savunma kaptan. Bir orta daha. Penaltı noktasına yine karşılıyor savunma. Ektağı karşıladı. Ashley Young yerden Terani kontrol. Kesinlikle. Attı içeri. Trippier sol ayak geriye çıkardı. Lingard tek top.
Turkey, oh mate, we won against Sweden 2-0. We're into the semis. We were playing Russia or Croatia. I'm watching a match from in the room tonight. Wasn't invited to go to the beach party, but I feel absolutely knackered. Got a bit of a headache as well because everybody in the room were literally ha. So yeah, met two really nice people. I think it was Sean and Lois. Yeah, Sean and Lois. Them two fucking like cracking people. So yeah, so. But we played 3 games of snooker and Amy beat me 3-0, so at least England won 2-0 against Sweden. So, but the semi-final on Wednesday, I just can't wait for it. So, good luck England, and Gareth Southgate, once again, you've done a fucking brilliant job. In my vlog here, I just want to say a quick well done to Luke, who is Amy's younger brother. He got the manager's player of the year in his football team, and obviously a trophy for playing for a club, I think. So well done to you, mate. And obviously, England through to the semis, and it's coming home. So, to keep enjoying these vlogs, be sure to like, rate, and subscribe, dim down on both notifications, and would you just look at that view. See you guys tomorrow for another lady vlog. Thank you.